A huge quantity of banned cough syrup was seized from Assam-Tripura border this morning. Assam police watch post at Juraiba, reacting on a specific intelligence input, intercepted a truck at Assam-Tripura border on Saturday morning. Upon thorough search, 20 cartons with a total 2,200 bottles of codeine, phosphate, cough syrup, benzidil were recovered from the vehicle. The seized items are said to be worth more than 20 lakhs in the black market. One person, namely Hornbill Sheikh, a resident of West Bengal, was apprehended in this connection, and further investigation is on, informed police sources at Juraiba.